J.R. Smith, aka the Henny God, just signed with the Lakers. There are a lot of rumors and doubts floating around as to whether he'll be a seamless fit with this Lakers squad, considering he has only 8 games before the playoffs to really integrate himself in the Lakers offense. But I actually think this will be a really good thing for the Lakers. Can you name a better free agent right now who can hit threes and defend and has championship experience and has chemistry with LeBron? I don't think you can. Now, the departure of Avery Bradley from the squad was unfortunate. He was arguably one of the better on-ball defenders in the league. He really ripped the ball out from Patrick Beverley at half court and caused a turnover and a basket on the other end in the last time the Lakers faced the Spurs. He can also knock down the open three with a 36.4 3-point percentage and gets countless transition threes in the corner off a LeBron pass. He also made 24 points in the Clippers game and averaged 9 points and 3 rebounds on 24 minutes for the Lakers. He was a really good role player and will be missed. Or will he? J.R. Smith has a career average of 12.5 points on 37% 3-point shooting on his time at the Cavs. He actually became one of the better perimeter defenders in the league. Well, he might not be elite, but you can always see that he has good energy defending and never back down from a challenge. He can rest easy that even if he slips up at times, the Lakers have some pretty huge trees behind them to cover for his mistakes. Now, the offensive side of the ball is where he will shine bright. J.R. Smith in his prime was a freak athlete, throwing down dunks and alley-oops that will remain some of the NBA's best all-time highlights. He is now 34 years old, and while you could argue he isn't nearly as athletic as he used to be, I would say to you, well, he doesn't have to be. He is expected to play some quality minutes off the bench, provide shooting and good defense. He'll be fine. Many of the shots he gets will be open because of the gravity to attract other defenders that LeBron and AD possess. LeBron and JR both know each other's tendencies and it should be a really good fit. The only two things that would be of concern for the Lakers in signing JR would be of his age of 34 and his conditioning, and the fact that he's played only a competitive game since 18. The last time you saw him play, he was a lesser version of himself and all his stats dropped considerably. But I would point to LeBron's departure as the primary reason behind this. You know, it's hard to go from getting perfectly weighted passes straight into the palm of your hands to suddenly getting average passes from a rookie point guard. No disrespect to Colin Sexton. I think JR will have a new lease to his career, much like Dwight Howard did. People said Dwight Howard was done too, and he proved everybody, including me, wrong. The Lakers are stacked this season, and I don't think anything has changed. And as reports suggest, J.R. Smith has always kept his conditioning in prime shape, and he's always been in good shape all this time. And as Richard Jefferson said, he's always been ready. He was always ready, and he never thought he would not get called up. Well, what are your thoughts on the JR signing? You think he'll live up to the expectations or just be a disappointment? If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like as it'll help me out a lot in making new videos for you guys. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.